Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we can put cosine x to the power of 6 and cosine x. This one we can put cosine x squared everything to the power of 3 because number 3 multiplied by number 2 we have number 6. So we have the formula in here. So we have cosine x squared. So I will put this one go to the right. So this one I will put in here. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. This one we change for u. This one we change for du. And now we need to expand this one. Next, we have the formula. The integration of this one. So we put number 6 gone here. So 6 plus number 1, we have number 7. The next one that is about number 5, number 3 and number 1. So number 3 divided by number 3, we have number 1. About u, that is about sine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.